So in today's video, we're taking a look at more iPhone 15 Pro stuff, and what I have here is a screen protector, and it's by Speck, and it is actually goof-proof installation as it says on the box. So if it's goof-proof, it must be very easy. And in this video, I'm going to unbox it, show you how to install it, and we'll see how long it takes me to install it. I've installed quite a few screen protectors in my time, so this should be quite easy. I'm not sure 100% what the price on this is yet, but I will link this one as well as some alternatives, maybe cheaper ones, for you at home in the comments box and description box below if you want to go check that out. But yeah, without further ado, let's go install this on my phone, because without a screen protector, I'm not doing anything with it. I don't care how strong Apple say the screen is. So this is how the box comes. It does have a rip thing on the back, which as you can see, I did attempt it, but it didn't work out. Funny enough, that's how they usually end up. But I just ripped it on the side, that's not a problem. So a few things about this one. Goof-proof installation kit, just like I said. Fingerprint scratch resistant coatings, which is good. We don't want them fingerprints. Ultra thin antimicrobial product protection. When we open it up, funnily enough, the actual screen is already on the hinge, which I guess is part of the mechanism. And then we've got the screen cleaning kit, which consists of one wet wipe, one microfiber cloth, and 2 dust removal stickers. Everything you need for a successful screen protector installation. So let's open it up and let's check this out. Now, usually what I've been using is the mouse hybrid screen protectors, just because I like the way they feel, and I think I should be getting some soon. So after this one, there may be another video about how to install the hybrid ones, because they're a bit different to these glass ones. Leave a comment down below if you want to see that. So first we're going to go over it with the wet wipe. There we go, get this nice and clean. So the big issue people usually have with installing screen protectors, or the number one issue, is going to be dust particles, because you can get your screen as clean as you want, but as soon as you wipe away and have that clean screen, a little bit of dust falls on it, gets trapped between the glass, and then you're not a happy camper. So we're going to attempt to do it right this time. So far it's super clean, and then we're going to use the dust removal sticker to finalize. Looks quite clean. And if you like these wallpapers, I will link them down below. They're by a friend of mine called Patrick, and I'll link his channel down below as well. They look super nice with the new iPhone release, and it comes on iPhone and Mac as well. So we've done that. We've cleaned it as much as we can. I mean, it definitely is clean. It just needs some dust removal. So I haven't actually been timing myself how long this is all taking, but this is the part that takes time, trying to get the dust away. And just when you think you've got everything off, another piece lands and ruins things. So I believe we're A-okay on that one. We're going to pop the frame here, lift it up, pop the phone inside so it fits in like that. Perfect. And I guess all we do now is pull this tab underneath. So I'll show you like this. So we've got one tab underneath here. We're going to pull that one off. And then it just falls on like that. And then we may have to, oh no, it's already adhering itself, as you might be able to see on the camera. Got a little bit there, but we can, I don't believe I got a squeegee in the box, but that's fine. We can possibly just push that out with our finger. So a bit of rubbing up and down just to get that full adhesion. And just going all the way around, pushing it down just to get that glue on the edges to adhere. And let's do a countdown in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll remove this sticker. Oh, we've still got a little bit of the top. Okay, not a problem. We'll just use the wipe to clean that up. So far, everything's looking good. Just have to squeegee out this bubble, which they do turn up. It's not a problem. Don't be worried if it comes up. You just have to spend a little time pushing it to the edges. So as well as this screen protector, I will have other screen protectors coming. Like I said, the mouse one and cases from different brands. So if you want to be there when that content drops, make sure to hit the subscribe button below and like this video if this is something you're interested in, because I do know that quite a few people have trouble with installing screen protectors, but the key thing is if you get the right kit, you should have no issues at all. The more experienced installers can get the kits where it's just a screen protector on its own and they'll manage to do it. Whereas if it's your first time or you just want something super easy, you can get ones like this, which is goof proof, or there are other ones by other brands, which doesn't come to mind. I think Speck can do one, nice easy one as well, and Caseology and some other brands. But like I said, I will link them down below, no worries. So final wipe down, and we've got that screen protector installed all the way around. Nice and perfect. Like I said, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. That was actually super easy to install, and it looks super nice on the phone. I just hope it protects the phone now. Next stop is going to be, what case am I going to put on the phone? So next couple of videos, we're going to be checking out different cases, different accessories, different wireless chargers, and it just keeps going on and on and on. So tune in for the next video. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped you install a screen protector on your phone, and I will catch you on the next one.